Are you looking for the best hoverboards for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best hoverboards for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hoverboard Electric Self-Balancing Scooter. The Trinity Hoverboard is a self-balancing scooter designed for kids aged 6-12, offering a thrilling and entertaining experience. Its standout features include colorful wheels and Bluetooth connectivity, making it a visually appealing and technologically advanced toy. The hoverboard is not just a fun gadget, it's also designed with safety in mind, having obtained UL certification and passing all necessary safety tests. Built with premium quality rubber tires and a no-slip PVC footpad, the hoverboard provides a secure and stable riding experience. The use of dual 200W brushless motors allows for a top range of 3.1 miles and a maximum speed of approximately 6.2 miles per hour, catering to the needs of young riders. The hoverboard can support a maximum weight of up to 176 lbs, ensuring its suitability for various age groups. Number 2. Hover One My First Hoverboard. The Hover One My First Hoverboard is an ideal choice for beginners who are ready to embark on their hoverboarding journey. With a 150W motor, it provides a smooth and controlled ride, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. The hoverboard is designed with young riders in mind, supporting up to 80 lbs of weight and boasting a moderate speed limit of 5 miles per hour. Safety is a top priority, making it perfect for kids who are new to hoverboarding. Additionally, the hoverboard offers a practical range, allowing riders to cruise up to 3 miles on a single charge. Its lightweight design adds to the kid-friendly appeal, making it easy for young riders to maneuver and enjoy their hoverboarding adventures. Number 3. Hover One Rebel Kids Hoverboard. The Hover One Rebel Kids Hoverboard is the epitome of cool for today's teenagers. Geared towards the younger generation, this hoverboard is not just about style. It's a powerful ride with a 110W dual motor that can handle up to 130 lbs. Safety is a priority, with a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour ensuring a secure and controlled experience. The board boasts an impressive extended range of up to 3 miles, making it an ideal choice for kids on the go. With the Rebel Hoverboard, you're not just investing in a fun ride, you're investing in the future of mobility for your children. Number 4. Gotrax Fluxx FX3 Hoverboard. The Gotrax Fluxx FX3 Hoverboard is a product that aligns with Gotrax's mission to revolutionize commuting through fun, affordable, and eco-friendly electric rideables. As an American company based in Texas since 2017, Gotrax has rapidly become a leading producer of electric vehicles, boasting over 1,000,000 units sold in just 5 years. The Fluxx FX3 Hoverboard, specifically, stands out with its lightweight frame, weighing only 13.86 lbs. This feature makes it convenient for quick pickups or ideal for younger riders who may not handle heavier devices as comfortably. Despite being one of the most budget-friendly hoverboard scooters available, Gotrax assures that users won't have to compromise on enjoyment for the sake of affordability. The emphasis on creating a product that is both accessible and entertaining reflects Gotrax's commitment to pushing the boundaries of transportation possibilities. Number 5. Gotrax SRX Mini Hoverboard. The Gotrax SRX Mini Hoverboard is a specially designed hoverboard catering to the needs of children. Boasting a distinctive and fun body design, it is available in 4 vibrant colors. The SRX Mini is equipped with a self-balancing mode and 6.5-inch tires, ensuring an easy and manageable riding experience for young users. Powered by 150-watt dual motors and a 25.2V battery, this hoverboard can support weights of up to 132 lbs. Remarkably lightweight at only 15 lbs, it stands out as one of the market's lighter options. The inclusion of 2 built-in handles adds a unique touch, making transportation more convenient for users. Safety is a priority, with the SRX Mini Hoverboard limited to a speed of 6 miles per hour. It covers a distance of up to 3 miles per charge, making it suitable for short rides and adventures. Emphasizing safety precautions, the manufacturer recommends wearing a helmet while riding. Number 6. Gotrax Glide 6.5 Hoverboard. The Gotrax Glide 6.5 Hoverboard is a fantastic choice for those looking for an affordable and entertaining ride for their kids. With a sleek design and vibrant LED lights, it's not only a fun way to get around but also a stylish one. The built-in Bluetooth speaker adds an extra element of enjoyment, allowing riders to groove to their favorite tunes while cruising. Safety is a top priority, as evidenced by the UL 2272 certification. This hoverboard is suitable for a wide age range, from 6 to 12, and even adults can join in on the fun with a maximum weight capacity of 176 lbs. With a top speed of 6.2 miles per hour, it provides a thrilling yet safe experience. Weighing only 14.1 lbs, it's easy to carry and transport, making it convenient for both kids and parents.